Parallel park, conventional side. The objective of this exercise is for the driver to place the entire vehicle, tractor and trailer, within a space that is 12 feet wide by length of vehicle plus 15 feet. To begin this exercise, the driver must pull past the opening and remain parallel. Once in that position, they can back into the area. Placing the trailer and the tractor inside the area. Once inside, the driver can pull forward so they can place the vehicle inside the boundaries. And to complete this exercise, the driver must be within the 12-foot wide lane plus vehicle length plus 15 feet area. At this point, the driver would honk their horn and set their brake.